What's up guys? Welcome back to another tooltip video. Today's video is going to be all about the social share buttons, how to set them up, how to do it for different outcomes, and everything you need to know about them. So let's jump right into it. So I've created this What Friends Character Are You quiz, and I want to set up social share buttons for this project. So here are my different options. So first of all, I can drag and drop the social share content element onto one of the question pages. The social share buttons we have available at the moment are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. You can select to add all 4 of these, or you can even select to just add one of them. That's up to you. And you can even add a title. Now that you have added that into your project, you just need to go to your project settings. You can get there by clicking on Publish or by clicking on Settings at the top. Then just scroll down on the settings page until you get to Social Media Sharing. Here, you can customize how it will look when people share your quiz. So you can set up a sharing title, a description, and even upload your own image. So I'm going to title it, Find Out Which Friends Character You Are. And then the description will be, take this 2-minute quiz and find out. A pro tip for the sharing image is to simply take a screenshot of the first page of your quiz and upload it here. I'll just click on Update Settings, and there you go. If you don't customize this and someone shares your quiz on social media, for example, this is how it will look like. It will show the title you gave the project and a picture of Involve Me in the thumbnail. So I would definitely recommend that you customize this. Now, let me show you how you can set this up for different outcome pages. Because I myself am personally a Phoebe, I'm going to show you how to set this up for the Phoebe outcome page. Keep in mind that your project has to have multiple outcome pages for this feature to work. So just drag and drop the social share content element onto the page, and then click on Settings. Here, you will have to tick the box that says, let participants share their outcome. And here, you can customize the sharing title, description, and image for this specific outcome page. So I would title this, You Are a Phoebe. And in the description, I would write, Find Out If You Are Phoebe Too. A pro tip for the sharing image for specific outcomes is to screenshot that specific outcome page and upload that as the sharing image. So I'm just going to screenshot this, and then I'm going to drag and drop the image in here. Perfect. Now I'm going to save and close. And then you will just need to repeat this step for each outcome page. If you want to see how the preview looks when you share it on different social media platforms, you will need to go to that specific social media platform's validator or debugger. It's different for different social media platforms. For example, for Facebook, it's called Facebook Debugger. For LinkedIn, it's called Post Inspector, and for Twitter, it's called Twitter Validator. I will have all these links in the description below. These tools are great to look at how the preview will look if you share them on their platform. And if you ever make any changes to your sharing image while the project is already live, it's good to check with this first to make sure it actually changes the thumbnail. Sometimes it keeps the old thumbnail and doesn't update it, but if you use these tools, then you can be sure that it updates the photo or the thumbnail before you share it again. All the tools are linked in the description below. Well, that is it for today's tooltip. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye!